just bought some 205 5015 Dureza Z2s that were used. I found on Facebook and then mounted them to my 15x8s here. Working on getting this thing cleaned up. As you can see, it's a little dusty, finished up. Gonna do some fuel system stuff today. Work on electrics, getting it wired up, and then hopefully, if all goes well, we might be able to try and start it today. The black wire that comes out from the fuel pump goes on the far one, and then the red one goes on the positive. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, stop. Okay. So that whole thing's just goobered. So I just came in from work, and I'm going to go run down to the office and see if I can get my fuel rails and fuel injectors that came in today from Full Function Engineering and see what they could do. Let's see what we find. And here they are. I'm going to see if we can't unbox these real quick. Boom. So let's see what these things look like up close.
So this is the primary rail. Absolutely beautiful. Really high quality, 1/2-inch bore. Definitely will support a lot of power. So this is the secondary rail. This is an S5 rail. When you order these, you're gonna have to say whether it's the S4 or S5. The dimensions for, I don't know if it's the total length or if it's the injector bung holes or if it's the mounting holes that are different, but I know that there's a length difference between S4 and S5. These are very high quality. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better finish. I mean, these look absolutely great. 1/2-inch bore again, threaded for 6AN ORV fittings. Guess we're not gonna focus today, but I'm gonna see if those fit in there. So this is my secondary rail. Injectors will go in here, and then this is the primary rail. Again, absolutely beautiful fit and finish. I opted to go for, I'm running these in series. I wanted to take a second to explain what I mean by series versus parallel. So here the primary rail gets fuel first and the secondary rail gets fuel second, one after the other. Where here they're in parallel, so you can see that one line feeds both rails and then both rails come back together. And so I opted to go for a 6AN all around size. So I got from Full Function Engineering a proper, why won't that focus? There we go. I got a proper 6AN ORB fitting from them for their fuel rail. So this will screw, this will thread right in. I mean, that's beautiful. Gonna make sure that follow all the directions there, making sure that that's seated properly, make sure everything's lubricated well. Very good for the fuel system. Like I said, I'm running it in series, so I'm just doing 6AN all the way through, 6AN from the pump all the way up to the fuel rails, and then back through the regulator and back to the tank. I got the ID 1050 injectors. I'm overall going to be happy with them. I think this is awesome. I was worried I wouldn't get the connector with the kit, but I got all the connectors and all the crimpers and things like that to go onto the injector. So once that slides up into the rail, everything will be great and the wiring should be there. Just listen to this thing. It's crazy.